You want to be accepted for who you are, but you don't want to accept him for who he is. Yeah, how is that going to work? You don't want him to be himself. You want him to serve you. And if he doesn't, you get angry and resentful. Right? But that's why you need to hear this and understand that this is true in your reality. I am not here to compel you to do it differently. I'm here to show you reality, and then you make your changes. And I'm definitely not here to confirm that your reality, the way you like it to be, is the right one. That I'm not here to do that. I'm here to show you the reality that you want to feel accepted for who you are, but you can't do it for others. And if that is not a trigger for you to start learning that other people are actual other people and not employed by your convenience, you're not going to make it. You're going to suffer your entire life that other people aren't your way. And that's going to be your outcome. And I'm making the assumption that that's not the outcome you want.